Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I had a couple requests asking how I make my green smoothies because I post them all the time on Instagram because I eat one every single day. So I thought I would make a quick video on how to make them. So my base for every smoothie is always bananas. That's the majority of my base that I put into my smoothies. It makes them very sweet even if I put a lot of spinach in. So I'm going to start off with about 4 bananas and make sure they are ripe and spotty, guys. All right, it's best for your digestion. They're sweetest at that point and softest. So we're going to pop 4 of these in the blender. 1. And don't be scared of little brown spots, okay? Don't be a baby about it. 3. There's another one. 4. See how easy they peel? That's what you want. To be really easy. And then, so I have some super ripe pineapple right now, so I'm going to throw that in too. I have a whole pineapple here. I had a couple bites of it. So this is, about half a cup, maybe 3/4 cup of fresh pineapple. It gives it a little tang to the sweetness, and I really like that. That's my base. 4 bananas, 3/4 cup pineapple. And then to make it a little chilly, I like to put in some frozen fruit. This is organic frozen mango that's available at Costco, which is everywhere. So I'm going to put in, I got a half cup here, and I'm going to put in a couple scoops. This is actually a mixture. I got some frozen blueberries in there too. Now, this seems like a lot. It's because it is. This is going to be my meal for this morning. I will share it with my kids, but I could drink this whole thing myself, but it is a meal. So bananas are about 100 calories each. This is fat-free, okay? High carb, low fat, raw vegan. So this is going to be certainly enough calories for my breakfast. So 4 bananas, that's 400 calories right there, not even with the other fruit and spinach. So I'm going to put in some filtered water into my smoothie. I'm going to pour it in, and how much is this? This is probably about 2 cups of water. I'm going to blend this up before I put any spinach in, just because it's kind of high right now. We're going to condense it all down. All right, it's smooth now. See how I have some more room in there? It's magic. I have my spinach. So I'm going to put in a couple handfuls of spinach. This is where you can tweak it. You can tweak any of this, but make sure that your base is bananas. That's they make it sweet, yummy, high calorie, enough for your meal. For me, I like to put in a pound of spinach. To make sure that I get in enough greens for the day, I like to put in a lot of spinach in my smoothie. It's an easy way to get your greens in. I got my taper here. This is a handy tool and essential. It comes with the Vitamix, but if you got, a Blend Tech or a NutriBullet, then it will have a NutriBullet you put upside down. Anyway, we're working with the Vitamix, all right? So let's blend it. All right, this isn't completely blended. You still see chunks of spinach, but I want to put in another couple handfuls. Get those greens in. It's good to balance your fruit with greens. It's what your body needs. Fruit and greens. Greens and fruits, fruits and greens. Da-na-da-na-na. All right, we're really stuffing it today. And if this becomes too thick at any point, if you're like, that's too thick of a smoothie, like that's a smoothie with a chew, too much, then you can add more water. But I like it thick, my kids like it thick, my husband likes it thick, so I make it thick, all right? So here we go, push them down. All right, so as you can see, it is a gorgeous green. Is that just, it's beautiful. So the nice thing about blending and having whole fruit smoothies like this is that you do keep the fiber, and phytonutrients binds to fiber. So then if you break down the cell walls and you blend it into, it's so easy for your body to absorb these nutrients. It's so good for you. So you keep the fiber, you keep the phytonutrients that are attached to the fiber, and you are left with something sweet and delicious and ready for eating. So if you really want to kick it up one more notch and you have a health food store, or if you have internet and go on Amazon, which you can, okay, because you're watching me. So you can get Spirulina, and this is a powerhouse. It's high in protein. It has a bazillion other things that it does for you. Cleanses your body of heavy metals. So let's put this in here. Let's not be shy, okay? I'm running low on it, so I don't have that much, but you know, tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Blend that really quick just to get it. Let's see if we can. Oh my. Here it goes. Ooh. Ooh, making a mess. Let's put the top on. All right. And then here you have it. The most beautiful green and delicious smoothie in the world. I don't know about that, but it's pretty damn close, okay? So look at this. Oh my God, it's beautiful. So, and it's really good for you, and it's super simple. I do this all the time when the kids, you know, cannot be pleased and they need all my attention and I don't have time to cook a meal for lunch, breakfast, whatever, then I'll have a smoothie and it fills me, and I know that I'm getting the nutrients I need because I'm breastfeeding two kids right now. So I need the calories, I need the nutrients, so do you. So try this green smoothie. Let me know how you like it. Put it in the comments below. And if you have an idea for another video you'd like me to do, or you have a question, whatever it is, let me know. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.